Hello and welcome to Mastermind Tutors YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to get more of our useful content. I am Yasir and I'll be covering the topic of area and perimeter. As you can see, these are the formulas to work out area and perimeter of a rectangle or a square. So to work out the area, you would multiply the height by the width, and to work out the perimeter, you would add all the sides. To work out the area and perimeter of other shapes, you would use different formulas. For these, we'll be covering in future videos, so stay tuned. So now we'll be answering questions and putting the formulas into practice. Right, here we have a rectangle with a height of 7 centimeters and a width of 9 centimeters. So to work out area, we will multiply them. Nine times 7, which will give us the area of 63 centimeters squared. Now for the perimeter, we'll be adding all the sides. Nine plus 9 plus 7 plus 7. Which will give us 32 centimeters. Right, let's do another question. Again, we have another rectangle. The height is 6 centimeters and the width is 12 centimeters. So to work out the area, we will multiply them. 12 times 6, which will then give us the area of 72 centimeters squared. Now for the perimeter, we'll be adding all the sides. Twelve plus 12 plus 6 plus 6, which will give us the perimeter of 36 centimeters. There we have it, area and perimeter of a rectangle or a square. Thanks again for watching. Please do give us a thumbs up and please press the subscribe button down below. Stay tuned, we'll be covering more topics and subjects in future videos. That's it from me. See you next time.